Okay, so I'm not surprised the Raven is the first bird to land or come down at my job. Um, so out of the live, this was the only bird that has come down. I'm still live on my other phone, but it started raining. Excuse me. It started raining, so I was gonna go ahead and stop the live. But this is a nice close-up shot. Probably the longest video I have of any Raven. He's sticking around, I guess, because the grass is a little tall. He's trying to make sure, it's not a setup. So he keep looking around, bobbing and weaving, bobbing and weaving. Matter of fact, the reason why he or she ends up flying away is because I came to check up on the phone. I didn't even know that there was a bird there, honestly. But let's see if we can get more stuff to come down. Stay tuned for what other birds we find at my job.